Today is sunny day. Look, the sun. We're going to plant the broad bee. Look, broad bee. We need go through this row. This is field after dig the sweet potato. This is edamame. So many. The sky is blue. I don't know which field is to plant the broad bee, so I have to wait for my dad. Before my dad coming, I'm going to walk around. I have never came here. Okay, all the trims. I decided to go to the top, have a look. Here we are. This is village view around me. Okay, this is our destination. We will plant the broad bee out here. During my dad doing the prepare work, I decided to go on my adventure. In this area, there is no people living here. It's a big forest. Okay. Wow. Look. There are so many and so many sweet potatoes. I saw two elderly people working in the field. The old lady can't hear very well, so it was a bit difficult for us to communicate. They've planted a lot of sweet potatoes because they also raise pigs. The children have all gone to the city, so only the two of them live here in the countryside. Look, there are many bees working here. Maybe some of them are from our home. Okay, I think I need to come back. Okay, I'm going to do my job. I just need to throw this into the hole like this. Just 5. Okay, we have finished the plant the broad beans. Perhaps a few days ago, they will sprout. Now we are biking home. The board is taking the tricycle to go home. Okay, the weather is really nice today. How's the weather where you are? Days like this are rare in this season, so I just had to share it with you. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe